Hello everyone and welcome to Decentralized YouTube channel. Today I want to talk to you about an important aspect of using the Ethereum network, gas fees. But what exactly is gas? In practice, it represents a small commission that needs to be paid to process a transaction or a smart contract on the Ethereum network. This money is then used to pay the miners who work on the network and process the transactions. The cost of gas fees depends on several factors, such as the complexity of the transaction or contract, and the amount of activity on the network at that time. So, how can we reduce gas costs? The first method is batching, which means combining several smaller transactions into one larger one. This way, the total cost of fees is significantly lowered. Alternatively, you can use a different cryptocurrency that offers more affordable gas fees, such as Binance Coin, BNB, or Chainlink, LINK. Moreover, you can schedule transactions for times when the network is less busy, or use a wallet provider or a browser extension that automatically adjusts gas prices to minimize costs. In summary, gas fees are an inevitable cost of using the Ethereum network, but there are several ways to reduce costs. I hope this video has been helpful to you and I invite you to stay tuned for more interesting content. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos about Web3, NFT, Metaverse, AI, tech, blockchain, decentralized finance, and crypto. We invite you to visit our website at decentralized.com, type 1 instead of I, where you can find more resources and information on decentralization. We also invite you to join us on Telegram, and follow us on our social media channels. Links are in the description of this video. Did you enjoy watching the video? Let us know in the comment below.